This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome back. So now look at here, the topic is SAP Netweaver. So what is this SAP Netweaver, guys? In previous session, I told you that after like whatever amount we are giving, after that there should be like 2 decimal places supposed to be there, right? But somebody has made change the settings there, and it is like only 1 decimal places is appearing, right? So how to control this? Where is the setting of this one? So these all settings are related to your country code, related to the region, related to the currencies, right? Whatever these settings are there, you will be finding here in NetWeaver itself. I'll tell you guys, these settings is already like SAP has given, like let's suppose if you talk about the settings related to the country, setting related to the currencies and all, it is already given by SAP, right? And it is not recommended to change any what is the settings over there, because this is whatever the settings are required is already given by this SAP. And that is why most likely if you watch any tutorials and if you're going to join any classes and all, you won't be finding any tutorial related to the NetWeaver, because uh, there is nothing much, not much changes required here in NetWeaver and all, right? Now, very rarely the changes are required here. And that too, like let's suppose a new country is, formed. Like there are 2 countries, so now new country is formed. In that case, what is happening? In between, you have to do the implementations. Once the new country is formed, of course, SAP is going to, release some patches for that. They are going to adjust. They're going to create that country code and all. But in between, like even we are also having options to set up the country code into SAP system. But now here we are talking about the decimal place. So let me show you where it is. So I'll just do one thing. Go to here, SPRO, and where is the NetWeaver, guys? I'll show you. Look at here. Here is the NetWeaver. Okay, and go to general setting. Always go to general setting here, and here like countries, currencies, everything is there. Don't do anything. Don't make any changes in terms of countries and all. You just go to currency here, and here in currency, check currency code. So currency code is already set up, and this is how like you guys are, whatever USD is there, INR is there, or is like GBP is there. So all the currency codes are already set up by SAP. You did not to set up the currency codes and all. Look at here, set decimal places for currencies. You need to go here, and here you just need to press enter and click on continue. Okay, and click on yes. Now, so look at here, the currency INR is there and somebody has given 1. Likewise, even other currencies are also there and somebody has given 353, right? So now we'll talk about INR here. Okay, so 1 means here 1 decimal place. After what you say digit, whenever we are going to enter the amount, after that only 1 digit will, after decimal 1 digit will appear, right? So here if you have to, like somebody is going to, what is the standard decimal, guys? Let's suppose 5.25. So after that, minimum 2 decimal, what we say, digits supposed to be there. After decimal minimum, there should be 2 digits, right? But if 1 digit, if somebody has selected 1, it means only 1 digit is going to be considered by system, right? So here, if you have to change it, if you go to FB70, still we are in account receivable. So let me quote the example here. Transaction code of account receivable itself. If I give 1000 and press enter, look at here, only 1 digit is appearing, right? So what we have to do? Okay, so changes doesn't mean that you are going to make it 2. If you make it 2, system will not accept, because 2 is the standard, decimal. After decimal, 2 is the standard digit which is already given by SAP, that after decimal 2 digit will be accepted by system, and this is the standard setting. So if you give 2 here, system will not allow. Look at here, use another input value. So here, if you are coming to this screen, it means instead of 2, either you need 1, 3, 4, 5. Look at here, somebody has given 5, right? I'm going to give 4. I'm going to give 4. Okay, if you are coming to this setting, it means you need to change the decimal, digits or whatever, like after decimal, whatever the digits are there, right? So other than 2, in the sense SAP has already given after decimal 2 digits will be, that is the standard setting. If you come to this setting, then after decimals, either you required more than 2 or less than 2. This is why 2 is not accepted, because system is saying this is already default value. Why to need Why do you need to give 2 here? So I've given 4, and if I save it, let's have a look on the impact. So here there should be 4 digits, right? So let me show you guys. And once again, I'm going to give an amount here and press enter. Look at here, 4 digit is appearing, isn't it? So guys, the standard is 2 itself, so you need not to give 4, 1, 3, whatever it is, you just remove it. Click on delete. And if you delete, it means standard setting is going to be applicable. So now if we are going to, I'll use FB70 once again. Let me check it. So here I'll give the date, and here itself just give an amount, because anyway we are not going to post the transaction. So look at here now, 2 digit is appearing, right? So this is how you can change the, what to say, this decimal places and all. Since somebody was changed, that is why, and it, I observed like during this, I think it was there earlier also, it was there, but again I thought like, okay, let me explain. So this video I'm going to, this is the part of, it is uploaded in account receivable, guys. Generally it is not the part of account receivable payable, it is applicable for all, but since I discussed in account, I discussed in account receivable, so that is why I have uploaded this in this account receivable segment itself. Okay, so that's all in this session, guys.